Hi class, good morning. This is the week of October 12th and I just wanted to discuss really quickly our ELA focus wall for the week. Our anchor text this week will be our third lesson in Journeys. It is called My Librarian is a Camel. I know that sounds kind of silly, but you will find that this story is actually an informational text. And here is the question, it's the essential question for this week. How are books and libraries important to people and communities? So that's what we will be discussing as our essential question this week. Our comprehension skills for this week and strategies are cause and effect. And cause and effect, we will have ed puzzles available this week, as well as some questions. So make sure that you are understanding that and checking in with me if you are not sure. Our target strategy this week is visualize. Here are some of our vocabulary words for lesson 3. These words are isolated, virtual, devour, remote, impassable, access, obtain, preserve, extremes, and avid. So those words are more than likely very unfamiliar besides maybe a few. Don't worry about that. We're going to discuss them. We'll talk about them quite a bit. Do not forget, you can look on Quizlet, practice those flashcards. You can do a matching game. Get familiar with those words this week. For grammar, we will be discussing how to use quotations, and we will also be talking about using context. So those are our grammar and our vocab strategies for this week. For spelling, here is our new spelling list. I won't go through all of these words right now, but we will discuss these words in full. And always keep in mind that this week we will be discussing that short and long I sound. So for example, skill, skill, that includes that short I sound. Crime, I is saying its own name in crime. That is the long I sound. So just something to consider for our spelling words this week. You want to make sure that you notice those things. So this is for the week of October 12th. It is lesson 3 in our journeys, and we will be doing lots of practice on these this week. Thanks class, let's make it a great week.